YouTube, welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to make blueberry muffins. To start off, you're going to need to preheat your oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then you will need all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and of course, blueberries. Now you're going to sieve 1 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Chopstick. Now you're going to put 3/4 cup of sugar into the mix. Now you'll need 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now you'll need 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Whisk it all together. In a separate cup, you'll need 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You'll need 1 egg. And you're going to add milk until it is 1 cup full. Mix it all together. Now that you've finished mixing these all together, you're going to add it into the mix. Using a spatula, you're going to fold it into the mix. And when you're done, it should be pasty. And this is the kind of pasty texture that you are looking at. Now you're going to add 1 cup of blueberries and you're going to fold it into the batter. Now that you're done with your batter, you're going to scoop it into the cupcake tray. Each of these cups are filled with 2 1/2 scoops to finish the batter. And this is what your blueberry muffin should look like before the oven. And now you're going to put in your blueberry muffins in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 21 minutes. Looks yummy.